Welcome to Faculty of Mathematics and Science Chemistry Laboratory at Universitas Negeri Jakarta. There must be a risk while working in laboratory from different sources, such as chemical and laboratory equipment. Therefore, Civitas Academica who will get into laboratory has to have permission from head laboratory and staff. Recognize the occupational health, safety, and environment procedure in laboratory. Before working, recognize different types of hazards and risks from the chemical that will be used. Chemical hazard including corrosives, oxidata, acute toxicity, irritants, flammable, serious health hazard, hazardous to environment, electricity hazard, physical hazard, economic hazard, posture and movement hazard, fire hazards such as explosive and falling objects. To prevent such things to happen, there are several things we can do. First, do not wear jewelry in laboratory. Then, wear covered shoes. Wear lab coats and make sure it buttoned. And for our Muslim woman, make sure to keep the veil under the lab coat and keep the hair tied. Wear masks. Wear goggles, gloves, and store the chemicals neatly in the designated place. Use secondary containment for more efficient storing and movement. Use safe equipment while working, such as fume hood, to keep the chemical gas from spreading. Avoid use micropipette tip repeatedly and throw away the used tip. Throw away the waste according to their type to available waste disposal site. Eat or drink is prohibited in laboratory. Clean the laboratory equipment after being used. Avoid wearing cosmetics in laboratory. And smoking is prohibited. When you're done, wash your hand before eating to prevent contamination to your food through hands. Sometimes, accidents happen while working, such as getting cut or scratched. Therefore, first aid box must be available in laboratory in case of accident. If there is an accident, like a fall or unconsciousness or a heart attack, immediately perform CPR if there are trained personnel, or call University Health Center or nearest hospital. If there is a contact to a chemical spill, then immediately use the emergency shower and wash the body for at least 15 minutes. Use the eye wash when something has gotten in your eyes and immediately consult a medic. Don't forget, every incident and accident must be reported. If you encounter an emergency like fire, then you have to report it to the laboratory staff. When the alarm rings, turn off the fire sources and leave the laboratory. Do not use the elevator during an emergency. Follow the warden instruction to the evacuation route and gather at the assembly point. Contact the campus security from a safe place. To extinguish the fire, use the closest fire extinguisher with BASS principle. Means pull the support pin, aim the base of the fire, squeeze the top handle or lever and sweep from side to side until the fire is completely out. In case of earthquake, you must turn off or unplug the instrument that being used. Leave the laboratory and close the door. Follow the evacuation route and gather at the assembly point. Do not come inside the building. Then wait until the situation is safe.